Tonight on AFN News, typhoon readiness and Hispanic Heritage Month luncheon.
This is AFN News.
Good evening and welcome to AFN News. I'm Airman First Class Holly Schwartz. Typhoon Stella is rapidly approaching the Kanto Plain, and it is important for everyone to anticipate the worst possible conditions. Airman First Class Jason Lynn has a few important safety tips to ensure you and your possessions are secure.
These images are just some of the effects you can expect from a typhoon. And while the effects of Typhoon Stella may not be this bad at Yokota, it's always best to prepare for the worst. Master Sergeant Clayton Potter of the 374th Airlift Wing Safety Office has a few precautions for everyone on base.
You want to take and secure your high-value items. In some cases, in many cases, you're going to want to move that to the center of your house because windows can get blown out. In Quarter 1, we could have winds of over 100 knots. That will take a sheet window in your typical housing unit and just blow it right in. So you have to have the things that are dear to you moved out of harm's way. It's a good idea to make sure you've got a flashlight that works, even have some extra batteries on hand. Candles are great. If we have a power outage, especially in this time of year where it gets dark early and stays dark until late, candles and matches are very helpful.
They also advise that you stay off the road. Only travel if you have an emergency. Typhoon Stella is expected to hit south of Tokyo early Wednesday morning. Soon after is when Yokota will feel the worst effects.
In Yokota, we can expect winds up to 90 miles per hour and localized heavy rains. To ready themselves for this, they should monitor Channel 13, which is the Yokota Air Base Weather Channel. They maintain the current core conditions. They should also listen to Eagle 810 radio to keep updated on the current core condition, and also to go through the checklist of what to do during each core. They should monitor Channel 18.
The idea here is to be prepared. The better we prepare, the less likely it is that we're going to have a problem. If you plan ahead, get the supplies you need, and prepare, the storm is really just bad weather.
During Core 1, the base is mission essential personnel only. Again, you should only be out of your house if you have an emergency. Airman First Class Jason Lynn, AFN News.